How's everyone doing? Welcome back to another video. Super exciting day today. We're going on a supercar trip. 35 supercars going all the way top to Jebel Akhdar, a hill station here. Should be super exciting. We got the permit, we got all the required stuff. We're just fueling up the wipers right now because our fuel tanks are much smaller than the Porsches, so gotta get the fuel. We're at Ultimax Oman oil. So yeah, let's fuel up and head to the mountain. The rest of the guys already close to the starting point for the hill climb. We had to fuel up because our fuel tanks obviously are much smaller. V10 American muscle. But look how beautiful these cars look. Alright, finally resolved the issue with the wiper. We had the issue with the nozzle not going in fully and the car just spitting out fuel all over the place. So finally let the cars sit down for a while, let them cool down, and now we're fueled up, ready to hit the mountains. Let's go. Right, finally arrived. Look at this. Dusit D2 touchdown. Got all the cars here. Look at that. Alright, just arrived to the top. Super nice weather here. It's like about 25, 24. I think it's about to rain as well in a bit. Look at this. Dusit D2. Should be a good time. We're going out for lunch right now at some local family has hosted us, so we're gonna go have lunch there. It's gonna be really nice. And yeah, let's see how it goes. We haven't checked in because we had the whole fuel issue with the wiper, but hopefully once we get back from lunch I'll show you guys around the property, show you guys the room. Should be nice. Let's go. Time to head out for lunch, but it's raining crazy. I didn't expect that. Look at that. Hopefully it pans down in a bit. Alright, arrived at our lunch location finally. Luckily it's not raining now. It was for a bit, but now it's done. We're hosted by a local family that are gonna host us at a natural location somewhere like this up ahead. I still haven't reached there, so we're gonna go check it out and let's see how it is. Alright, the food's nice, the weather's nice, the people are nice. But look at the cars behind me, look at that. Look at this lineup. 35 cars or 30, I don't even know how many are there. But look at this, look at the whole lineup behind me. I'm gonna show you some of my favorite cars down here, so let's go. Man, look at this, we got Porsches, we got BMWs, we got Z06s, Corvettes, C7, we got a couple of C8s up there as well. Look at these are not regular specs, Z06 Corvettes. Beautiful wheels, RS3, not your regular RS3 though. Look at this, C8 Corvette. There are all sorts of nice touches. Stunning car. I really like how the new C8s look. Definitely look like a proper supercar instead of a muscle car. Miami Blue GT4. 911 with the aero kit. Look at that. You never see these out in public. Porsche clubs worldwide. Nice. Look at these. The snakes. Dodge wiper. This with the track pack. This a GTS edition. Now you can't go wrong with this lineup. Look at this. Right, I don't know about you, but this is the best lineup I've seen in a long time. Look at that. In the mountains. Really nice clouds. People having lunch there. All the colors you could ever imagine. Look at that. What else could you ask for? The cars are one thing, but this is all about One More Drive. Sitting down, eating together, people talking to each other. Nothing like this anywhere else. Of course, not to miss out on the M5 competition. Now you got this beautiful AMG GTS. Look at that. Everyone's finishing up lunch. Time to drive again for a bit. And yeah, see you guys there. Alright, finally arrived at the hotel. I can hear some of the cars in the background. I feel like some of the guys have gone out for some photos, this, that. I've returned back to the room and the hotel. I'll show you guys more about the property a bit later tonight and tomorrow morning. We'll do a full tour in one of those buggies. But until then, let's check into my room. Wow, that's beautiful. Look at this. Super nice. There you go. Look at that. Stunning. View should be pretty nice as well. How do I open this? Look at that. Wow. Super nice. Room with the lights looks stunning. Look at that. And the weather here is super nice. 20 degrees, something like that. Feels like Canadian summer. But yeah, you don't have these clouds anywhere else. Or in the cabinet, you got your mugs. Nothing there. Storage, water. What's in here? You got your bathrobe, iron, and washroom. Got this massive shower area. Conditioner, shampoo, all types of stuff. You got your towel. Got your beautiful mirror. Look at this. Damn. Your sink, your towels, your moisturizers. Save the planet. Towels. You got your nice washroom area. Another bathrobe. Yeah, this is a really nice room. Look at this. The scale of this is massive. Look at this. Alright, I think it's just finished raining, but it looks like it's gonna rain quite a lot more. So I'm gonna get my umbrella. Look how much it's rained. Look at this. Looks stunning though. The weather's become so much nicer. But I'm gonna get my umbrella. Let's head towards the adventure park. Alright, we got our nice little Dusit umbrella. Gonna go explore a bit of the property. I think it stopped raining, so that's good. And then head towards the adventure park, try on the zip line. And then towards the end, we're gonna head towards dinner with all the guys. So let's go. Let's try the adventure park zip route. Let's go. I am going ASAP. Damn, almost fell over. But nobody's there. It's my turn. Let's go. Let's go. Unfortunately, the adventure park is closed for today. 6 p.m. It's about 5:45 right now, so they're not letting anyone else in. But 9 a.m. tomorrow morning, we're gonna be here. Mark my words, we're gonna be here for sure. I can't miss this. Till then, let's look at this beautiful scenery around this resort. Look at this. It's like the rain's coming back and forth. It's not raining like crazy, but it's also not stopping. So, but look how beautiful this resort looks right now. All right, so the adventure park's closed, but we have time to do some edits on these cars with rainy weather. So who is driving like that? But the weather's actually ideal for a drive. We're just waiting for a few cars to move out so we can take ours out. But look at this. Look at the greenery around this resort. But look at these. Hold up. Look at that. We got the Corvette GTS. Got lightning happening all around me. Can't ask for more. Look. Alright, time for dinner. Look at what they have here. Got a full buffet of multitude of foods. Look at that. Falafel, spring rolls. What do we have here? Some rice. got live barbecue being made, seafood. Look at that, you got hummus, all types of salad, cheese. What are these? I don't even know how. That's seafood. You got Indian food here, look, naan. This is beautiful. Just finished up dinner, mountain nights. Didn't film here much because everyone's super tired after the trip today. But dinner was great. Time to head back to the hotel now, so let's go. Alright, just finished up with breakfast. Got all the cars around here. Still waiting for everyone to wake up, so still about 7:30-ish right now. But the cars are looking definitely really good with the hotel. Super quiet as well around this area. But we're gonna go for round 2 for breakfast because I didn't eat much. And wait for the guys to come out, so let's go. But until then, I could definitely give you guys a quick tour of the property, so let's go inside. You got the main adventure park here. Lunch spot here. Look at this. That's the D2 daily experiences. Gotta check some of these out. We're gonna see some other stuff towards the end of the resort. So let's go. Once you're inside, it's way bigger than you imagine. So many houses all around. You got some activities for kids here. That's the main zip line that comes here. But it looks really nice. Definitely one of the best resorts out here compared to the other resorts in the area. Alright, time to roll into the hotel. Let's see how this goes. Alright, check out the view behind me. Look at this. Supercars entered the hotel, so that's actually crazy. Look at this. You got the GT3 RS, Huracan, GTS, Corvette, GT4, Rolls Royce. Look at that lineup. Alright, that's the end of the trip. Always sad ending trips like these because it's nice being with people. It's always a fun time out. Plus the weather was way better than here. Regardless of that, we're gonna do a couple of more trips before I head back to Canada, so looking forward to those. And lots of crazy content in the works. The thing is, I've been making a lot of content, haven't been editing too much of it for you guys, my bad. But June's gonna be different, trust me. It's gonna be a different level of content, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, as always, see you. Oh, wait. Like, share, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Comment down. No comments in the last video. That's crazy. And regardless, alright, see you guys in the next one.